If your LTE mode and APN settings are correct, the issue might be related to network coverage. Use the Tesco Mobile app or website to perform a coverage check, which utilizes GPS to determine signal strength in your area. Coverage depends on proximity to O2's towers, as Tesco Mobile operates on their network. If you're indoors, signal boosters might help. Other simple fixes include toggling airplane mode on and off to refresh the connection. Resetting your network settings entirely, note this will clear saved Wi-Fi passwords. And ensuring your SIM card is properly inserted. Always check for carrier updates on your device as well. According to Ofcom's 2025 Mobile Connectivity Report, Tesco Mobile ranks slightly above average in LTE connectivity problems at 8%, compared to the UK average of 12%. If problems persist, consider contacting Tesco Mobile's customer support. Also, be aware that infrastructure strain from ongoing 5G rollouts can temporarily impact 4G performance, especially in urban areas. By 2030, 5G is expected to dominate, potentially making 4G fixes obsolete, but hybrid 4G/5G devices will bridge the gap.